Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, home composting is the best and natural way to transform our kitchen and garden waste into a valuable plant food. And for making a home-based composting setup, we always required a compost bin. And if we purchase it from market, then it costs us a lot of amount. But there are also other ways by which we can make this useful compost bin at our home. So why spend a lot of money when we can do it easily? So in today's video we are going to share one DIY method to make a homemade compost bin. And if you feel this information is really good, then you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel. So let's come and see this video till the end for more details. So after a long research, we are going to explain a homemade and 2-bucket composting system today. And for this we require 2 buckets with having collar designs on the top of each bucket. And this collar design will help us to maintain the distance between both buckets when we are going to assemble into each other. These type of buckets are very easy to available at any scrap yard in very cheap price, so we can get them easily. Along with these types of 2 buckets, we also require a water tap, which we can also get very easily at any plumbing shop. And first of all, we will make one hole at the bottom of one bucket like this, so that we can fix this water tap into this hole for collecting our compost tea. And for making this hole, we can take any metal pipe which have the equal dia like this water tap. And after making it hot, we can make this hole very easily as we are showing here. Now after making this hole, we will take our second bucket and make small sizes drainage holes at the bottom surface like you are looking here. Also we will make same types of holes on the top surface of this bucket for proper aeration process, so that the air can flow inside the bucket during the composting process. And for making these holes, we can take a sharp tool and after making it hot, we can do this easily as we are showing here. After this process, we will take our water tape and fix it over the bottom hole of our first bucket. And we should tie it properly so that the chances of leakage will not occur in future. Now we will take our second bucket and fix it over the first bucket like this. And after doing so, it will look like this. And you can see here that due to this collar on top, the second bucket not went down fully and there is gap from bottom side. And finally we will cover it with its lid. Now our homemade compost bin is ready to use. Now we can pour our daily basis kitchen waste and garden waste into this compost bin and transform it into a useful plant food within a month. And with the help of this tap system, we can get a liquid fertilizer in the gap of each 15 days and store it for using on plants. This liquid fertilizer is known as compost tea and it is much beneficial for the growth of our garden plants. So this was the easy and priceless surprising method to develop a homemade composting system to convert our kitchen and garden waste into a useful plant food. I hope this information will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.